Koipi today with the students of class 8 from the education platform of Subhas Conference School. Sevadbadi Sikkar, Ronak and Lalta are going to explain the topic terrestrial globe and its geographical features.
Basically, we see globe is the miniature structure of Earth and other celestial body. The globe which represents the Earth model is known as terrestrial globe. The globe is tilted at 66.5 degree and flattened from North Pole and South Pole. The ancient Greeks were the first king to use the globe to represent the Earth. The oldest globe was made by the Timaeus of Crete, a Greek philosopher and geographer.
Now let's consider it. Just like people either use their school or house address or either the Denmark to tell the location of their house or school. Similarly, we use the lines drawn on globe or maps locate places on the Earth's east. These lines on the Earth are said to be known as latitudes and longitudes. These lines are actually not present on the planet, but are imaginary and drawn by Kartik Ranwari. These help us to locate places on the Earth easily and find our way easily. Now comes the equator. Equator
is an imaginary line that divides Earth into two hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The equator is located at 0 degree and it is the longest latitude. What is latitude?
Latitudes lines are drawn above and below the equator are said to be known as latitudes. Latitudes are parallel to each other and are numbered as 0 degree to 90 degree.
Longitude sign come from North Pole to South Pole and they measure the distance from east to west.
Now let me tell them easy way. Do you know the latitudes from east and west make at one category and the longitude see at poles? Pyramid. The pyramid is the longest latitude.
The pyramid is situated at 0 degree and it can be divided slope into two hemispheres. The eastern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere. The pyramid is also known as GM, Greenwich Meridian Line, or why it is so called elliptical reason there.
A pyramid is GML, a kismet club passes through a city of England that is known as Greenwich. That's why it is in that Greenwich Meridian Line. It also helps us to locate a time on the Earth. Live the world time is GMT, means Greenwich Period Time. For India, BUC and for IUC is Indian Standard Time. It is divided into two times. AM is NC and the meridian PM is post-meridian.
Now let's consider with some more important topics. First, topic of Kretzer. Topic of Kretzer lies in the northern hemisphere at 23 degrees south.
Now comes the topic of Kepch. It lies the 23 degrees south process of Chinese Day and lies near the beach.
Next up to Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is situated at 66.5 degrees low and it is the boundary over free zone and temperate zones.
Now comes the Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle is the boundary of the free zone and the temperate zone. It lies 36.5 degrees south from the South Pole and lies near the equator.
What is free zone, temperate zone and polar zone? Now there's soft out. The season between the North Pole and the Arctic Circle was known as free zone. It is the water coldest part of the Dr. Atmosphere.
The free zone lies focus like the North Pole can. How comes to Cambridge? A Cambridge zone is there in English release. The Rajasthan lies part of the Cambridge zone and half in the Torrid zone. It is from 66.5 degrees low to 33.5 degrees low and from 6.5 degrees south to 3.5 degrees south.
Its fixed topic of texture and topic of fabric of is known as torrid zone and it is the hottest part of it.
Why it is the hottest is the reason that the sunlight comes directly and cools the up the equator. It's the hottest part of the car. Now let's go with the continent.
There are majorly seven continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia.
Now there are just like the continent, there are 5 measures: first oceans, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. That was it. Thank you for watching. Click particularly.